Embark on your English learning journey with confidence. In this video, we will take you through a step-by-step guide on how to start learning English. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Here you will learn so many skills in English, so just keep moving. Today I am going to discuss from setting goals to practicing speaking. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started. Perfect for beginners, this video will help you build a strong foundation in English and achieve your language learning goals. Congratulations on starting your English learning journey. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Number 1 is set your goals. Define your motivation and goals for learning English. Number 2, learn the basics. Start with the English alphabet, numbers, and basic grammar rules. Number 3, build vocabulary. Learn common words and phrases and practice using flashcards. Number 4, improve grammar. Study grammar rules, verb tenses, and sentence structures. Number 5, practice listening. Listen to English podcasts, audiobooks, or watch TV shows and movies with subtitles. Number 6, develop speaking skills. Speak with native speakers, use language learning apps, or practice with a language exchange partner. Number 7, read English materials. Start with simple texts, articles, and books to improve reading comprehension. Number 8, use language learning resources like Duolingo, Babbel, English Central, BBC Learning English, Grammarly Handbook. Number 9, join a language community. Look for online forums, social media groups, or local language meetups. Number 10, be consistent. Make language learning a regular habit, even if it's just 10 to 15 minutes a day. Remember, learning a language takes time and practice. Stay motivated and enjoy the process. That's all for today. Hope you understand it well. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And don't forget to watch the next video in which I will discuss on how to set goals for learning English. So keep learning new stuff. God bless you and thanks for watching.